In this video, I will show you exactly how to change the color of an image within CorelDRAW using a few simple and effective steps. This technique is incredibly useful for graphic designers who need to quickly modify the look of a photo or a graphic element without having to leave the software. To begin the process, the first thing you need to do is select the image you want to modify. You should use the Pick tool for this task, which you can quickly activate by pressing the spacebar on your keyboard. Once you have clicked on your image and it is properly selected, navigate your cursor up to the top menu bar of the interface. From there, you will want to click on the Effects menu. A drop-down will appear where you should then select the Adjust option, followed by Hue Saturation Lightness. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow, you can simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus U at the same time to bring up the exact same menu. At this point, a new control window will pop up on your screen containing several different adjustment bars. You will want to find the hue slider and begin dragging it either to the left or to the right. As you move the slider, you will notice that the colors across the entire image dynamically morph into brand new shades in real time. This allows you to find the perfect color balance visually. If the new color looks a bit dull or perhaps too intense, you can use the saturation slider located just below the hue bar to make the colors look more vibrant or more muted, depending on your specific design needs. Once you are completely satisfied with the way your image looks, simply click the OK button to apply the changes permanently to your project. This is a powerful way to transform your visuals in seconds.